God bless you, sir. Thank you for accepting the call. You've been mentoring me from afar for years.
Oh dear.
I got hit by a car 2 years ago. I flew in the air.
You got hit by a car?
I got hit by a car 2 years ago. I flew in the air. I rolled on the ground. I don't know where I landed. Since then, I've had pain in my knee. I couldn't stand without pain. I couldn't do anything without pain.
Yes.
I spent over 1,000 pounds on physiotherapy, on going to the chiropractor. Nothing worked. It only helped it a little bit.
Yes.
As you told us to lay hands, I thought, no, it can't be me. But I said no.
Check yourself. Any pain? Look at this.
Apostle, you asked me to lay hands. I laid hands and I felt Holy Ghost fire on my knee.
Holy Ghost fire on your knees.
Holy Ghost fire. So now there's no more weakness, only strength in my knee.
Walk. No pain. Look at this.
Let every other name